A dangerous trend in New Mexico. The number of people that have come down with a contagious, potentially deadly disease this year is way up from last year. And now the Department of Health is ramping up efforts to try and prevent it from spreading even more. News 13's Lizzie Mitri reports.
It's the sound of whooping cough. The state health department says there have been 644 cases of the deadly disease so far this year in New Mexico, including 2 children who died. That's more than double the total number last year, 275 cases. Some worry the number could still climb if people don't get the message.
There are certainly concentrated outbreaks in schools, and we absolutely want to keep the disease out of the newborn nursery. So it's important to vaccinate people to protect the little ones and the older folks with chronic respiratory disease, because they're the ones who are really going to suffer.
Dr. Cleveland Sharp with ABQ Health Partners says that doesn't just mean children.
Everybody needs vaccination, including grandma and grandpa.
To slow down this contagious disease, the state health department is spreading the message, plastering it on billboards. Bernalillo and Valencia counties have some of the highest cases of whooping cough in the state of New Mexico, but this billboard is one of many set to go up across the state. And you may have already seen these.
Protege a su familia con una vacuna.
Public service announcements on Telemundo. Sharp says right now everybody needs to heed the warnings.
My vaccine works pretty good. Your vaccine works pretty good. Our vaccination together protects the people around us even more.
Lizzie Mitri, KRQE News 13.
Health officials suggest seeing a doctor if you have a cough for longer than a week.